Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing freaking awesome today because guess what we are going to do? We are going to learn how to take off glitter off your freaking eyelids because you know what? Throw away those tapes and whatnot. But before we begin, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not subscribed to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell for those of you that are new users to my channel. Because you know what? You don't want to miss out on this crazy stuff. What we're going to talk about is tape. Ladies, I want you to stop taping your eyelids to take off the glitters. Because you know why? If you want to be younger and younger and younger, this is my opinion, not nobody else's opinion, but I think it'd be cool if you guys stop doing that, please and thank you. Only because I have done this before because I saw everybody do it, and it was about the whole tape thing and trying to take off the glitter with it. You know, it was good for a while when I did try it, but what I did notice is that every time I did that, my eyelids were freaking hurting, and then you got sensitive capillaries and blood, little streamies going in your underneath your skin and such. And I noticed like every time I was taking off the tape, like it would take at least maybe 5-10 minutes because you know by the time I put the first one and it takes off the very top glitter, but by the time you get closer to the skin, oh my gosh, it was hurting my eyeballix. I'm not a professional, but it makes sense because as you're putting the tape on your eyelids, every time you do it, when it lifts up the glitter and then you're at the very bottom of the lid and it touches, you know, the more you do it, it's stretching your skin when every time you lift up. Every time you lift up. Anyways, if you guys want to find out how you do this, make sure you stick around. Let's go ahead and get started. So the purpose of this look today was to show you guys that I do have glitter on my eyelids, and we are going to do this in a professional manner. Make sure you have sanitized your hands. Make sure you have sanitized everything on your skin, body, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, okay, let's get started. So the first thing, what we are going to need is hot water. Hot water in a Tupperware, in a little tiny tub, whatever you want to do. You will need your favorite cleanser, whatever it is you wash your face with. And I'm going to take the Mary Kay Time-Wise 3-in-1 cleanser, and it is a facial cleanser, and this is what I'm going to use for this purposes of showing you how to take off glitter. And then on the all right, and then so the next thing you are going to need is a washcloth, a clean washcloth. Before we get started, I'm going to take off my lashes. So if you have lashes on right now, make sure you take them off. And I am going to go bare, honey. We are going to go bare for reals. I have a lot of glue on. I shouldn't have put a lot of glue on my eyelashes, but yeah, there we go. I'm bare. I'm naked. I'm naked. Okay, so what we're going to do is grab your washcloth, put it inside the warmish to hot water inside the little tub like so. So do it like this. Soak that baby in there. All right. All right. Now that it is getting warm, I do not have my jewelry on just for these purposes. I might get dirty, nasty, I don't know, but anyways, all right, so what you are going to do is you are going to take this washcloth, squeeze out the water as I'm doing it. Do it with me right now. So you kind of squeeze out the water, right? And this is how I'm going to show you how to do this safely and calmly without trying to freak out and such. So after you taking that warm washcloth, grab your cleanser and such, put a little dab, just like how I'm showing you right here, put a little dab, just a little dab of whatever it is that you're using. Now, in the mirror, you are going to look at yourself in the mirror, and then you are going to put that with your fingertip Just the finger, your pointer finger is how I have it like this right now. So you do that, and you are going to spread some of this on here like so. And you know what we are doing? That's right. We are making sure we hydrate our lids. So I'm going to do this first one first. And I'm going to show you. Now, leave it for a couple seconds or whatever. Try not to get it in your eyeballs because they will burn. Whatever it is that you're using, it's going to burn. As we are talking, I'm going to go ahead and take this again, dip it in the warm water real quick. So while it's warm for a couple seconds, then I'm dipping it in. I'm going to squeeze a little bit out. And then you are going to do one swipe across, go from the corner and swipe. It's almost like you're taking off, putting off, your mouth, and then you kind of like taste the rest of it because, you kind of like had it on your mouth and whatnot. But anyways, so you're going to take one swipe and then take off the glitter without doing it hard. So sit it there for sit it there for a couple seconds and just wipe off. Do you see what I just did? That's what I'm saying. It cleans off your glitter. For reals. What we just did is naturally, without trying to, you know what I'm saying? You guys like it? Do you guys like my idea? So what I do is grab an empty spot where it doesn't have my glitter and such. And so then I dip this back in the water, the warm water, and then just go over it. And ladies, you will thank me for this because, girl, I just did this right in front of your face. That was the nicest clean. It feels so freaking clean right now that I did not get any glitter in my freaking eyeballix. I did not get the glitter in my eyeballix. Oh my God. I'm so happy to share this with you guys because you know what? I've been wanting to do this for a while. If you want, I can go ahead and do the other lid just so that way I can demonstrate because I don't want you guys to make sure you have your towel inside the warm to hot water. It has to be warm to hot water. And here I go again. I'm going to take my favorite cleanser and I am going to put a very little bit in on my washcloth. Okay, and I'm going to use the other hand because I'm really right-handed, so I'm hoping this is going to go good for this video. If it doesn't, it's because I'm not a right-handed person. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of put that cleanser or whatever it is you're putting on there and just dap it. Just dap. Don't rub. Do not rub. Now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and take an empty space and put the washcloth back in the warm to hot water. Thank you very much. Thank you for going along with me. Now, I am going to let it sit there for a couple of seconds. This is not ruining your eyes at all whatsoever. So let it sit there for a couple of seconds. Here we go. Now, I'm going to find me another spot. Let's do this, ladies. Then all you do is softly swipe to one side. Now, I'm going to do this again. So I am going to go ahead. Oop, I'm making a mess. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze out the water again. And I'm going to cleanly take this glitter off. But like I said, if you need more cleanser or whatever, you're gently cleaning this off your eyes preciously. Like, I'm telling you, ladies, you and that tape, my God, stop doing that. So anyways, this is just eyeshadow right here. So I should have put a little bit more cleansing stuff on it. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to clean this all the way right now because this is just a video to show you guys how to take off glitter safely, cleanly. And when you feel your eye, it's clean. The cleanest freaking part already on my freaking eyes. Okay, as you guys can tell, I did not have any struggles. I'm not having any trouble trying to focus or anything because I did that in a way that it worked for me. And I think that's about it. If you guys have any comments or anything, just go ahead and comment below. Let me know if this works for you. If you have not ever done this, please do this and stop using that tape, because I am suggesting that because there's a lot of people that ask me how many or how old am I? I am 45 years old. I have been the type of person who tries to take care of their skin. Now, if you have seen me with these ugly things on my face, I don't know how to get rid of these. I have tried creams. I have tried anything and everything to take this off. If you have any suggestions or anything, please comment down below. And like I said, if this video helped you take off your glitter off your eyelids, I'm so happy for you, girl. I am really, really happy for you. But yeah, that's about it. I was so excited to show this to you guys, and this was my video for the day. And I hope to see you guys soon. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out. And Petunia is going to say